In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get leads for any cleaning business using Google Ads. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your client base, Google Ads can be a powerful tool for reaching potential customers. Let's walk through the steps to help you set up your campaign effectively. First, head over to the Google Ads homepage. You'll find it by typing Google Ads into your search engine, or you can go directly to ads.google.com. Once there, you'll see a prompt inviting you to get customers and sell more with online advertising. This is your entry point into managing and creating ad campaigns that will help your business grow. Next, you'll want to click on Sign In. If you already have a Google Ads account, simply log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to set one up. Once logged in, you should be directed to the Google Ads homepage. This is your dashboard where you can oversee all current campaigns and understand how well they're performing. From the homepage, look for the Campaigns tab and click on it. This is where you can view and manage all your past and present campaigns. It's crucial to become familiar with this section because it represents the heart of your ad management operations. Here, you'll see which campaigns are ongoing, how many clicks they've garnered, and various performance metrics. After that, navigate to the Ads section. This part of the platform is where you can create new ads and tweak existing ones. Pay particular attention to your ad copy and the imagery you use, as they'll play a significant role in attracting potential clients. The key to success here is to create ads that are eye-catching and straightforward, clearly conveying the services your cleaning business offers. Now, it's time to set up your Google Ads campaign. When creating a new campaign, you'll be asked to identify your campaign goal. For a cleaning business, you might choose leads as your objective since you're looking to attract new customers. The platform will guide you through the steps such as selecting your target audience and setting your budget. It's crucial to think about who your ideal client is. Are they local homeowners or perhaps office managers seeking reliable cleaning services? Defining your audience helps tailor your campaigns to the right people. Finally, once everything is configured to your liking, launch your campaign. Keep a close eye on its performance and be ready to make adjustments as needed. Over time, you'll gather insights about what's working and what isn't. Don't hesitate to experiment with different ad formats, messaging, or targeting options until you find what resonates best with your audience. Remember, optimizing Google Ads takes practice, but with persistence and attention to detail, you can significantly boost your cleaning business's visibility and lead generation. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your advertising efforts.